Hey there, I'm Elizabeth from Salty Crossing Soapery. Come along with me today as I stamp some Woodland Walk bars with a 3D printed stamper. My stamper is printed on an Ender 3 3D printer with PLA filament. I do have a Snapmaker Artisan, but for simple projects like this, I tend to just go back to my Ender 3. The stamper itself is a design that I came up with when I got my first printer and started trying to print my own soap tools. It is quite simply one flat rectangle mashed up next to another flat rectangle for the handle. I designed my graphics in Canva, and in this case it's just the text Salty Crossing Soapery along one edge and then a graphic of a tree to go along with the Woodland Walk theme of the bar. I still build most of my tools in TINKERCAD, and I use Cura for slicing. So just before I stamp each bar, you'll see that I spritz the stamper with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. This helps the stamper release cleanly from the soap, and it gives it a better, easier to read impression. It's not always necessary, but for very detailed fonts and graphics, especially this font that I chose for this stamper, I do find that it makes a big difference in the quality of the impression. If you have any questions about the 3D printing process or the soap stamping process, please feel free to drop them in the comments, and happy soaping!